Hello my viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's solve this amazing radical equation. But as I always tell you that sometimes we need to think outside the box in order to hit the ground running. Today as usual, like any other day, we are going to see an amazing radical equation. So let's solve the equation together, my viewer. The equation on the board says the fifth root of 3 raised to the power of n minus 5 is equals to 729. So let's see how we can tackle this radical equation. Solution. This problem says, what do you think we should do? As I told you earlier during the introduction, that sometimes we need to think outside the box in order to hit the ground running. What do you think we should do? This is fifth root. So you know that when we have square root, it's the same thing. For example, if I have a, the square root of a is the same thing as a raised power of 1 over 2. Yes. If I have the cube root of a, it's the same thing as a raised power of 1 over 3. In this case, we have fifth root of this. So that means we are going to have 3 raised power of n minus 5 every 3 raised power of 1 over 5, and is the same thing as the illustration I just show to you, my viewer, which is equals to 729. Should I? Yes. So as we already know that in our law of indices, we know that when I have, for example, a raised power of b minus c is the same thing as a raised power of b divided by a raised power of c. Is the same thing as a raised power of b divided by a raised power of c. So we are going to do the same thing in the case of our left hand side of the equation. So that means we are going to write this as 3 raised power of n divided by 3 raised power of 5 every 3 raised power of 1 over 5 is equals to 729. Yes, but we know that this raised to the power of 1 over 5 is affecting everything inside the bracket, but both numerator and the denominator. Are you getting the logic? So that means I'm going to have 3 raised power of n over 5, because this will multiply this, the powers multiply themselves. That is according to law of indices. Raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5 multiplying 1 over 5, and we already know that this will eventually cancel this. So instead of that, I can put it as 3 is equals to 729. So that is that. Going forward, I know that this is over 1, then I will have to cross multiply. That means I will have 3 raised power of n over 5 is equals this is 2187 is 2187. So this 2187 can be can be written as 3 raised power of 7. So to the left hand side I have n 3 raised power n over 5. So having the same basis, I will now equate the two and make use of the powers. So let me conclude here. That means my n over 5 is now equals to 7. So this 7 is over 1. Then I will have to constant multiply. N times 1 is n, which is equals to 7 times 5, and n is equals to 35. My viewer, hope you are enjoying all that we've been doing so far. This is the solution to this particular equation. N is equals to 35. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we hit the ground running. Bye.